weeds. That really weeds are native plants. Like, I mean, you will say that this is a weed. But you know, this is part of the family of Dulcamata. There's 540 species native here, and they're medicinal. This is like, you can apply it topically for an area that you have inflammation. I use that. And this is wheat, but really it's a highly medicinal plant. So in organic gardening, what you do is first observe what is growing on the place, you know, and you have to learn a little bit of the native plants of the area to understand, you know, because you have medicinal plants, you have edible plants, you have plants that can help you against pest problems, which is another chapter I'd like to talk to you about, fertilization and pest management. But in this case, I want to say just that when you do organic, and especially on the system that I work with, KIAGRICULTURE, you first observe what is growing there, and then from there you can, first of all, learn. Because we also talk about how the earth has a language, you know, and the language of the earth talks to you through plants, native plants. Certain native plants on certain plant families grow in particular soil conditions, in certain altitude, temperature ranges. So the land is going to speak to you. Like if you go to a place and you see a lot of ferns, right? And the ferns normally like acid soil, and they go in a pretty big range of temperatures and altitude, but usually they like a certain level of moist. So then you understand that what your land is telling you is that if you're going to plant vegetables, you're going to need to add quite a bit of organic compost, but that you have enough moist to grow a lot of different things. So it's learning the language of the earth. Just like, you know, I speak Spanish, you speak German, we both learn English so we can communicate. So in order to communicate with the earth, we have to learn her language. And her language is through plants and also through energy. Yes.
And how do we learn? Through observing and
observing, studying. There is a great variety of ways to access information, whether it's the media or the books, the videos, but also yes, through observation. Yeah, through observation. Yes.